I'm Jo Porter. I'm CEO of Bryoactives. We're a spin-out company from Heriot-Watt University and we're aiming to go into the biotechnology sector. We're aiming to produce commercially viable antibiotics targeted at emerging infections in the gram-negative bacteria. We're developing an innovative screening approach which we believe will help us to bring novel antibiotics to the market with a significant advantage in the timing, so we're going to be quicker than traditional approaches that have been taken.
We see a significant opportunity for novel mode of action antibiotics active against emerging gram-negative bacterial infections. Indiscriminate use of antibiotics over a period of years in the medical and agricultural sectors has led to the emergence of multi-resistant bacterial strains. Even the antibiotics of last resort are now no longer effective in treating life-threatening infections. In the late 1990s, pharmaceutical companies interested in anti-infectives turned away from natural products and onto combinatorial chemistry and bioinformatics as a means of finding novel products. Unfortunately, these approaches failed to live up to their initial promise, and now companies are turning back towards natural products. There are now very few novel products in the drug discovery pipeline. More recently, there's been a shift back towards natural products by smaller biotech companies using sustainable methods and exploiting novel niches such as the marine environment. However, their success is limited by the difficulties in screening large libraries using slow and labour-intensive methods. For our innovation, the Bryoactives team will harness the natural association between antibiotic-producing bacteria and their marine hosts. We will exploit these antibiotics, which are unlikely to be recognised by terrestrial bacteria causing infections, and target these for use in the pharmaceutical industry. So the question is, how do we intend to exploit these antibiotics? Well, we're developing a high throughput screening method to screen for novel mode of action antibiotics that are effective against gram-negative bacteria. We'll use our sensitive screening methods to improve on the initial material and use this as a route through to pharmaceutical sales.
We're looking for collaborative partners and investors to help us achieve this goal. As a newly incorporated company, we're looking at a Scottish Enterprise Smart Feasibility Award to help us get to the next stage in our business plan. We're confident that towards the end of this phase we'll be able to attract business angel investment, and that will help us to underpin our route to market. At the present time, we're looking for 3 types of help in order to support and realise our ambitions. Firstly, we're looking for investment to help take our novel compounds through to preclinical development. Secondly, we would benefit from management advice. In particular, we'll be looking for a non-executive director to help with the management of the company. Thirdly, we're interested in developing our route to market. We're interested in working with other companies who might be interested in interacting with our technology, and we're also interested in working with investors to take our product through to the marketplace. If you'd like to make contact with us, please do so through the email address provided.